Today I'm going to show you how you can install Twitter Pro as a PWA or a progressive web app so you can use it just like a native desktop app. TweetDeck is no longer available, but with Twitter Pro, you can actually have this almost same feel by installing it as a PWA or a progressive web application. So, first thing that you need to do is, of course, you have to make sure that you upgrade your Twitter account to Twitter Premium or Premium Plus. It doesn't work on their basic account or the free account. So, first thing is, of course, upgrade it first. So right now I already have my account upgraded. This is my profile right here. All right, so once you have your Twitter account upgraded to the Premium or Premium Plus, what you need to do is to click on More right here on the sidebar. Right under Profile, click on More, and then click on Pro. So you just have to click on that one. So this will open up Twitter Pro. And you will see from here, there is an option here from this address bar on your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, so I can just go ahead and click on this one and install it as an app. So click install. So what happens is it now opens up like a standalone application. It's no longer sitting next to the outer tabs on my browser, but it's now a standalone app that I can create a shortcut on my dock. So I can go ahead and add that to my dock. So keep it in dock. And the good thing is, even if I close the browser, I can just click on this icon here for the web app or for the PWA and still be able to open my Twitter account. Alright, so that is the quick way on how you can install Twitter Pro as a progressive web app on your computer that is using Microsoft Edge browser. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe. Thanks for watching.